Why project management is a real competitive advantage? Because of the stuff that I already mentioned, but because project management is everywhere. So look for those different types of. That's why I create these all those different types of projects, from the iPhone, Air Jordan, the Android, ChatGPT, the Olympic Games, another software, even the Coliseum there, a new house, a new factory, a new assembly line. Here it's a new mine, a new car. All those things are going to be projects. So, and this is just few examples because inside of a company you can have projects under IT. Usually there is a lot of projects under IT to improve systems, to update systems, and so on. You have projects under product development. You can have change management process projects. You can have uh, further development projects for new products. All those things there, they're going to be everywhere. Just imagine if you are a company that you can do that 2 times faster and better than your competitors. So if you are launching a car, for example, you're going to launch better cars, faster, higher quality, with the customers are going to be happier with that,